Magandang buhay! And guess what? We're already on the last week of January 2021 and we are currently on our fourth week of quarter number 2. And since we were given 2 weeks to cover the topic, relation and function, halika, magpapatuloy po tayo para sa lesson na ito. Okay? So this time around, what we're going to do is we're gonna give you examples to help you with your learning tasks. Katulad nito, take a look at this one. If we're given the domain, and the domain is equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, and the instruction is, construct a table of values such that the range is half the domain. Okay, ang kailangan natin, table of values. So, here we go. At dahil nga meron na tayong domain, let's fill in the values of x. So x, we have 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So at this point, we don't know the values of y yet. Kaya, solve natin siya. Ang condition daw is the range is half the domain. Okay? So we simply have to get half of the values of x. So half of 0 is 0, half of 2 is 1, half of 4 is 2, half of 6 is 3, and half of 8 is 4. So meron na tayo agad 5 ordered pairs. We have 0, 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, and 8, 4. Okay, based on this table, we could we could formulate the equation which is y is equal to 1/2 x. Diba? Kasi in order to get the value of y, kinukuha natin yung kalahati ng x. Or pwede rin naman natin siyang isulat this way. We have y is equal to x over 2 or x divided by 2. Okay? So, let us plot this on our Cartesian plane. So, meron tayong 5 ordered pairs. So, dapat may makita tayong 5 points. So, we have 0, 0. We have 1, 2, 1. We have 4, 2. We have 6, 3. And we have 8, 4. Okay? We have 5 points. Ang tanong, i-connect ba natin ang points na ito? Hindi po. Okay? Dahil specific values ng domain yung binigay sa atin at na-solve natin yung values for y at nagkaroon tayo ng 5 ordered pairs, yun na po siya. So, ang makikita natin sa graph natin ay 5 points. Okay, linawin natin ha. Kanina kasi may binigay talaga, may given, no? Pero paano kapag ang given ay equation? Okay? Kapag equation ang binigay, we could assign other values for x. So, for example, ang x natin is negative 4. Then, let's get half of negative 4. That would give us negative 2. So, magkakaroon tayo ng isa pang point dito, which is negative 4, negative 2. What if ang x natin is equal to positive 3? Then, let's get half of positive 3. We'll have 3 over 2 or 1.5. Kaya yung point natin dito siya. 3, 1.5. Okay, so let us connect these dots and then we could form a line. Again, line siya, no? This extends on both sides. Yan. Kaya naman, maiiba din po ang ating domain. Ang domain natin will be, our domain is equal to x, such as x is an element of real numbers. Kasi nga po, dahil ito ay nag-extend. Okay, hindi siya nalilimit to negative 9 and positive 9. Yung lahat ng ating real numbers are possible values of our x. Ganun din naman sa ating range. So, ito po, no? Pwede pa siya mag-extend pataas at pababa, kaya ang ating range is equal to y, such as y is an element of real numbers. Yan. So, para naman po kapag ganito ang given, ang graph natin is an ellipse. Okay? So, kung gagamitin natin yung ating vertical line test, malalaman natin that this is not a function. Diba? In order to be a function, dapat po ang vertical line natin ay will only pass on a single point. Pero dito sa pagkakataong ito, tumama siya sa 2 points, no? Therefore, this graph is not a function. Pero, pwede pa rin po natin ma-determine ang kanyang domain and range. So, ang domain niya, tingin lang tayo dito sa ating x-axis. Okay? Ang values ng ating x ay, ito, makikita nyo, no? Mula -6 hanggang +7. Therefore, we could write it this way. Our domain is equal to x, such as x is greater than or equal to -6 and less than or equal to +7. Ayan. So, lahat po ng numbers dito in between. Ayan po. So, how about our range? Tingin naman tayo sa ating y-axis or yung values ng ating y. So, between +4 and -4. So, ganito natin siya isusulat. Our range is equal to y such that y is greater than or equal to -4 and y is less than and equal to +4. Ayan. So, in between po dito, no, sa two numbers na ito, including sila, inclusive, kasama po yung -4, kasama yung +4. Okay. Ayan naman po. Paano naman kapag ang given ay ito, it's a vertical line. So, using the vertical line test, automatic, hindi siya function. Okay? Kasi tatamaan niya lahat ng points along dito sa ating graph. Okay, but then we could still specify the domain and the range. Ang domain, madali lang. Ang domain natin, ang value niya ng x ay 4. Laging 4, di ba? Kaya naman ang equation natin for this line is x is equal to 4. So, we could write it this way, that our domain is equal to 4. Ito yung ating set. Or, pwede naman ganito. Our domain is equal to x such that x is equal to 4. Ayan. How about our range? Ang range natin, ayan po. It extends, 'di ba? Aakyat, bababa. Kaya lahat po ng values ng real numbers ay possible values of our y. So our range is equal to y such that y is an element of real numbers. Okay? So, sa learning test nyo, I believe learning test number 3, meron din pong katulad dito. This is a crossword puzzle, pero sa tingin ko, mas dapat yata nating tawaging cross number puzzle. Kasi numbers po yung mabubuo, ano? So, let's see. So, ang dapat lang tandaan kapag sumasagot tayo ng cross number puzzles ay yung across and down, no? Kapag kailangan natin sumagot ng across, syempre po, pag ganito natin isusulat yung number. Kapag pa-down naman, downwards o pa-vertical natin siya isusulat. So, example natin, we have an equation y is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay. So, ito yung equation na familiar tayo. Pero dun sa inyong learning tasks, ganito yung given. Function of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 1. Naalala nyo dati, nabanggit natin na y is a dependent variable. So, ibig sabihin yung y, nagdedepende siya sa value ng x. Diba? Kasi, diba, yung x muna ang meron tayo. And from x, isosolve natin yung equation para malaman natin yung value ng y. Okay? Kaya naman, we could say that y is a function of x. Okay? Kaya kung ano man yung value ng y, kung given siya or assigned value ng x, kung ano yung assigned value ng x, isa-substitute lamang natin siya doon sa ating equation para ma-solve natin yung value ng y or yung function of x. Okay? Example. Halimbawa yan, nakalagay, di ba? Down. So, dito sa pababa, number 2. So, dito natin siya lalagay yung sagot natin. So, function of 4. So, ito yung ating given equation. So, ibig sabihin, yung x daw ay 4. So, lahat ng values ng x, papalitan natin ng 4. So, magiging 4 squared plus 2 times 4 minus 1. Okay? So, let us solve. 4 squared will give us 16. 2 times 4 is positive 8. At sulat lang natin yung negative 1 or minus 1. Then, let us solve further. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 minus 1 is 23. O, sulat natin siya downwards. 23. Ayan po. Ganyan po ha. Ganyan natin lalagay yung mga sagot natin dito sa ating cross number puzzle. So again, on our note, the phrase y is a function of x means that the value of y depends upon the value of x. Yun lamang po ang kanyang ibig sabihin. Okay? So again, Guys and girls, thank you very much for watching. Please stay tuned para sa mga susunod pa nating lessons and ating mga guides. Again, keep safe everyone. Bye-bye!